Welcome to SAT Climb. A right triangle, 130-degree angle, hypotenuse 12. Most students reach straight for the Pythagorean theorem. You do not have to. This is one of only 2 triangles the SAT reuses over and over, and both of its other sides are already decided. There are only 2 special right triangles, 45, 45, 90, 2 equal legs, and a hypotenuse that is a leg times root 2. 30, 60, 90. The short leg sits opposite the 30, the long leg opposite the 60 is that short leg times root 3, and the hypotenuse is exactly twice the short leg. Learn these 2 pictures and a whole family of questions collapses. Here is the money move. Do not solve. Scale. Our triangle is a 30, 60, 90, and the hypotenuse is 12. In the template, the hypotenuse is 2, so the scale factor is 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Now multiply every side of the template by 6. The short leg was 1, so it is 6. The long leg was root 3, so it is 6 root 3. Check it if you like. 6 squared is 36. 6 root 3 squared is 108, and together they make 144, which is 12 squared. Now the 45, 45, 90, which is really just a square cut in half. If a leg is 7, the hypotenuse is 7 root 2. Run it backwards too. If the hypotenuse is 10, divide by root 2 and the leg is 5 root 2. And keep the Pythagorean triples in the same drawer. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17, and every multiple of them like 6, 8, 10. Special triangles are one case of a bigger idea. Similarity. Same angles means sides in proportion. Here, DE is parallel to BC, so the small triangle and the big triangle have identical angles. A D is 4 and DB is 6, so the whole side of B is 10. A E is 6. Set up 4 over 10 equals 6 over a C that gives a C equals 15, so EC is 9. Matching sides, 1 ratio. Your turn, and this one hides a special triangle inside it. A square has a diagonal of length 10. Find the side length of the square, and then find its area. Pause the video here. The diagonal of a square cuts it into 2 45, 45, 90 triangles, and that diagonal is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equals leg times root 2, so 10 equals s times root 2, and s is 10 over root 2, which is 5 root 2. The area is s squared. 5 root 2 squared is 25 times 2, 50. 3 traps. 1. Putting root 3 on the short leg. Root 3 always goes with the 60-degree side, the longer one. 2. Doubling the wrong side. The hypotenuse is twice the short leg, never twice the long leg. 3. Matching sides before matching angles. In similar triangles, pair up the sides that sit opposite equal angles. Special right triangles solved. Recognize the shape, find the scale factor, then multiply. 45, 45, 90 hands you root 2. 30, 60, 90 hands you root 3 and a doubled hypotenuse. Start free at satclimb.com.